Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredibly mouth-watering dish on the menu, Dan Dan Noodles. But hold on tight, because we're not just talking about the delicious flavors of this iconic Szechuan dish. We've also got some fascinating and lesser-known facts about Dan Dan Noodles that will leave you craving for more. So, grab your chopsticks and get ready for a spicy and flavorful adventure. Before we dive into those intriguing facts, let's quickly talk about what Dan Dan Noodles actually are. Originating from Sichuan province in China, Dan Dan Noodles are a beloved street food delicacy. These noodles are served in a spicy, savory sauce made with a tantalizing combination of chili oil, Sichuan peppercorns, soy sauce, and other secret ingredients. Topped with minced meat, preserved vegetables, and peanuts, it's a dish that packs a punch of flavors. From its humble beginnings, Dan Dan Noodles have become a staple in Sichuan cuisine and a popular choice for food lovers worldwide. Fact number 2, signature Sichuan peppercorns. One of the key ingredients that give Dan Dan Noodles their distinctive flavor is Sichuan peppercorns. These little powerhouses of spice and numbing sensation are a signature of Sichuan cuisine. Interestingly, Sichuan peppercorns are not true peppercorns but the dried husks of the prickly ash tree. When used in the sauce, they create a tingling, numbing sensation on the tongue known as mala, which adds an addictive and unforgettable element to the dish. Fact number 3, variations and adaptations. While traditional Dan Dan noodles feature a spicy sauce and minced meat, this dish has evolved and adapted over time. Nowadays, you can find various versions of Dan Dan noodles, including vegetarian and vegan options. Some variations even incorporate ingredients like mushrooms, tofu, or vegetables, catering to different dietary preferences. So, whether you're a meat lover or a plant-based enthusiast, there's a Dan Dan noodle variation to satisfy your cravings. Beyond its delicious flavors, the presentation of Dan Dan noodles holds symbolic meaning. Traditionally, the noodles are served in a small bowl with a hollow center. The sauce and toppings are placed in the hollow center, and the noodles are then mixed with the sauce, creating a tantalizing medley of flavors. This mixing process symbolizes the harmony and unity of different elements coming together to create a balanced and enjoyable experience. And there you have it, folks, some lesser-known facts about Dan Dan noodles that will make you appreciate this iconic dish even more. From its historical roots to its spicy flavor profile and versatile adaptations, there's no denying that Dan Dan noodles are a true culinary delight. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delectable food explorations. And don't forget to let us know in the comments below if you've tried Dan Dan noodles before or if you have any other interesting facts to share about this amazing dish. Until next time, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep satisfying your cravings. Happy eating, everyone!